seated or lying down. Allow your body to soften. Allow your breath to slow. Let yourself arrive as you are without needing to change anything. Take a slow inhale through the nose and a soft, releasing exhale through the mouth. Let this moment be enough. Continue to observe the breath, not to control it, but just to notice the gentle rhythm of inhale and exhale. The rise and fall of the breath mirrors the rise and fall of life. And in this rhythm, there's peace. You are not required to achieve, fix, or chase anything in this moment. You are simply here. Reflect on this ancient teaching, santosha, contentment. Contentment is the quiet joy that arises from accepting life as it is. Ask yourself gently, can I be at peace with what is? Can I soften the grasping, the striving, the comparing? Inhale, I accept this moment. Exhale, I release resistance. Inhale, I accept this moment. Exhale, I release resistance. Feel into the depth of this truth. Contentment is not found in things, but in how we see them. It is not passive. It is a powerful, loving acceptance. Begin to bring to mind a few things in your life, small or great, that you are grateful for. A warm drink, a pet, a friend's voice, the way the sunlight moves through the leaves, the breath that moves through you right now. Let each memory or awareness expand in your heart like a soft light. Contentment lives here, right here, in presence, in gratitude, in enoughness. Santosha teaches us that joy is already within. Nothing more is needed for this moment to be complete. You are whole, you are enough, you are here. Take one final breath. Inhale, exhale. Place your hands over your heart. Feel that inner smile. Carry this contentment with you beyond this practice into your day and into your life. Namaste.